Hey, I want this to be just a quick unboxing here of the brand new Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. This one is going to be in the Jade color, should be a nice green color here. We got a little bit of paperwork, nothing too exciting, of course. Come back to the phone in just a second here. USB-C to USB-C. So you used to give you a whole bunch more stuff. Of course, no more of that with your $1,000 phone. And this right here is what's going to bother me about these new Pixel 10s is apparently here in the US, they got rid of the physical SIM card slot. Now you can only do eSIM, which now through Verizon, who I have, is a giant pain in the butt to deal with. All right, here is the Jade, a little bit harder to see on camera. It looks more white than it does anything on camera, but it is actually a nice green. And then the outside here is also, it's a very nice looking phone. But why did they remove that physical SIM card slot? Anyway, so we have power button, volume rocker. We have speakers, I'm sure only one of which actually do anything. The USB-C. Nothing, because since they removed the SIM. Giant camera. And here we are. So again, very, very nice looking phone. This is a big phone too, just like last year's. But man, let me know what you guys think about them removing that. Oh, there's a mic. About them removing that physical SIM. Personally, I am very, very sad, kind of mad that they did. So thanks guys for watching. Let me know what you think. Hope you have a good one. I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.